Linking your bank account to Surfshark can enhance your experience by simplifying payment processes. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Surfshark account. Visit the Surfshark website and sign up for an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, to create your profile. Step 2. Navigate to payment options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Surfshark to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank payment method. In the payment options, choose the option to add a bank account. This may include selecting a direct debit or bank transfer option, depending on what Surfshark supports. Step 4. Enter bank details. Provide the necessary bank details, such as your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with the connection. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the successful linking of your bank account. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Surfshark, making your payment process more convenient.